Here we go. Thanks, CTP.
This is the National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message encoding its own alert systems. During dangerous weather events, this is the national alert can be activated by these systems. A message is warning without a watch or warning with fallout. These systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, this may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoding its own alert systems.
Oh, there we go. Yes, we got the activation.
Weather situations, specially built weather radios will be a warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, radios and warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, between 11 a.m. and noon. Will vary at any given location. This variability on the transmitter will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Consistent warning service. Now for the National Weather Service.
Yeah, they're going off. Yes, they're going off. This is a weekly test of NOAA weather radio.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA weather radio all hazards warning device. For listeners, the impending hazard.
Okay.
Signal normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WNG 704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Here is the